people, welcome back to Queen Sharon Entertainment YouTube channel. If this is not your first time when you watch my video, don't forget, may you look down below to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Set the notification bell so you will notify anytime I upload a new video. Come and check it out. Today matter, I want to talk about this popular Nollywood actor Ernest Azubike Azuzu. Now the man be this one. So we hear information say the man they beg for Lagos for streets. So the man now, the people they thought say Nollywood actors they no agree help am. They nobody agree help am. They don't abandon am. All his friends don't abandon am. Before we talk about that one first, I want to show that the Shocky in 27 years old dread. Wanna see am here, don't bring her come out for now. Wanna see am, say the dread fine. This dread, if he senior many people for Nigeria, the dread self senior me. Wanna see this dread, say I see long for 27 years. Wanna see the dread, no be small thing. Say the dread fine. E long very soon now, before 30 years you go reach ground. Wetin I think about this dread, Mona don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section below. So we'll talk about this popular Nollywood actor. Mona see am, the man now. He dey beg for street. The man, they say 15 years ago he be get stroke. So the pastor come hit the stroke. The pastor come see say the man no get income, he no get anywhere he want for get money because he no fit work again. He no fit go back for his acting career. That time the man na rapper sef, na rapper he still dey act because two of them na be they do together that time. So na very popular man. That time wey the man dey act 1990 something. Wey the man dey act na that time wey be say if you dey watch Nollywood movie, you go like make you watch and reach the end, no be now again. So Mona see this man, he dey street dey beg. And the man wey video am now say Nollywood actors dey, actress dey no gree help am. I use am mean say im colleagues dem that time say they dey there, all of them abandon am, nobody gree help am. All of them dey show body for Instagram, nobody gree help this man. When I see the man be this one. So man play the video for now. Me no be like say na my mouth na for here. Mona watch the video, Mona see wetin happen for the video. Now the video be this one.
Yes.
Now I'm just directing to Nollywood. This one of Nollywood star, everybody knows. We were surprised seeing him in this kind of condition. And what is they call here?
Just right.
Asking men, Nigerian men, to assist him when you have Nollywood people. They are just there doing anything they like, but they don't help themselves. You understand? So we are calling on Nollywood to come assist their member. It's not only to ask him. This guy cannot even walk. So they need to come to the die edge. Not when he dies and they will come and do big burial for somebody. They need to help him now that he's alive. Please, even Nigerian government need to assist this guy and know what is the problem. Thank you.
So now the video be that one. Should I don't see the video? Say the man he dey street he dey beg. Still the man a handsome man that time. He still handsome now. The man now they complain say all his friends nobody gree help am again. All of them don't leave am. That time we dey act now. People like them Jean Ike. All those kind of people now they follow the art that time now. Very tough man for movie. Now all of them don't run leave am. Nobody gree help am again. Now Jean Ike don't come out for Instagram. But I was shown that the tweet for Instagram. He say all these Nollywood actors say nobody gree help am, nobody gree help am. All the people they call Nollywood say Nollywood, all these people who they see so now package, say that they package. Nollywood say they no get money. Say Nollywood, Nigeria government no gree help Nollywood. They not take care of them. So say they no get money. Say na package, all of them the package. Man put the tweet for na Mona read about herself. So now the tweet be that one. Shana don't say Mona see say the tweet. The man they talk. Say they no get money. Say that the package. Say Nollywood. Say many people they do different things. May they take get money. No be only movies. Say many they don't call Nollywood again. Say the man self nobody know him whereabouts. Some they talk say they don't know him whereabouts. Say they talk say they don't know where the man dey. The man don show him account number for Instagram say who wan help am me go put small thing for am, at least at all na bad pass. They dey see 5 naira 10 naira, everybody go contribute am like that make dem take help the man ministry. The man say na only him wife dey help am. By the way, na him wife go help am. Shey dem say na better for worse, na him wife go help am, because even say everybody dey run leave am, him wife no fit run leave am. Abeg, wetin una think about this video? Make una no forget, make una drop una comment on the comment section below. And also slap a like on this video. No forget, before you go, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Abeg, I want to tell una say for my Instagram, information dey wetin say dey happen when we start no fit carry come YouTube. I dey upload am for my Instagram. This one na my Instagram name be this one. Use this name, follow me for Instagram. If you still like, you use the other name, follow me for my page. And my page name be that one, Queen Sharon Entertainment. Na me dey answer for my page. If you enter there, a lot of funny things dey go on for there. So make you follow me. May they get more updates. Thank you very much for coming around again. God bless you all.